tutorial, I want to teach you how to download the TM1 operating system and extract the files from it onto your bootable pen drive. In my previous video, I taught you how to create bootable pen drives so that you can run your installations from pen drive. If you have not watched that video, kindly go and watch it so you can create your bootable pen drive. Now, after you've created your bootable pen drive, open a web browser and visit this website, Dani-Tech.shop. Now, when you are on the website, go to resources and search for TM1. Okay, so you click on this, scroll and click on download. This download button takes you to where you can download the TM1 operating system. Okay, so once you've downloaded the TM1 operating system, you have a zip file. If you have WinRAR installed on your computer, then you see the downloaded file in this form. Now open the zip folder and extract the TM1 OS from it. Okay, so you just click and drag it to your desktop as I've done. Okay, so once you've extracted it, you open the folder and you see the TM1 installation files here. Select all the files, right click, and then click on copy. Okay, so we've copied these files. Go back to your pen drive, open the pen drive and paste those files in the pen drive. Okay, click on paste. So your TM1 operating system installation files and folders will be copied to your pen drive. And once the copying is complete, you can eject your pen drive. Okay, you can eject it. Once the copying is finished, you eject it, and then now you have your bootable TM1 installation pen drive. Now, this process can be used in installing Windows or any other OS onto your computer through the pen drive. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to run the installation on your TM1 laptop, how to install the operating system onto the TM1 laptop. That will be in my next video. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share this video, and if you have any comments, any question, make sure you put it in the comment section. Share this video, like it, and subscribe to my channel so that in my subsequent posts you will not miss a thing. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.